Yep.
Yeah.
Now we're feeling the cold.
Yeah. A little bit.
Hot chocolate will warm us up. You can see that jet right there. Okay, so what you guys just saw there were pictures and video of the hike that I did the other day of Sugarloaf Mountain. Hope you guys enjoyed it. It was a fun little hike. If you're ever in the Marquette area, definitely go check it out. Yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed. I don't know what's going on with this hair, but oh god, I made it worse. But definitely go check it out if you're in the area. Hope you guys have a good one. Talk to you in a bit. Bye. That ending was cringe.